Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Dash Cup Holder. This dash cup holder was made to fit the 1999 to 2001 Ford Super Duty pickup truck, including the F250, F350, F450, F550, along with the Excursion SUV, and is finished in graphite gray. What your dash cup holder does is, you probably already know, hold your beverages while keeping your hands on the steering wheel. And over time, due to the constant pulling and pushing, sometimes the greased slide fittings on here are known to wear out, trapping your cup holders permanently. Additionally, sometimes the front fascia can get damaged, or even the cup holders themselves can wear out over time. While this dash cup holder is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish, as it was designed to be a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout and OEM mounting locations. This is also finished in the OEM graphite gray for a perfect match to your existing dash setup. Installation of this dash cup holder is easy and can be done with common tools. First, remove the ashtray, unscrew the screws under a closed cup holder tray, pull the cup holder out, unbolt the screws here and here, then slide out entirely. Keep in mind, some of these versions may have some hidden screws at the top of the cup holder as well. If you have any questions about this dash cup holder, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.